Children, let us quickly go through this question. This is from Squares and Square Roots, class 8. The cost of leveling a square lawn at rupees 15 per square meter is rupees 19,935. Find the cost of fencing the lawn at rupees 22 per meter. Here we are talking about leveling, and leveling is done on the area. So per square meter the amount required is 15 and the total amount is 19,935. So using this we can find the area of the square lawn. See, for 1 square meter the amount used is rupees 15. So for rupees 19,935, how many square meters are we able to level? So this is the case of direct proportion. You can see here, for 1 square meter it is 15. So for more square meters will require more amount. So like this we can see. So we can say that now the area of the field is how much? 19,935 divided by 15, and which will come to be 1329 meter square. You can quickly divide it, you can get it. See here, 15 ones are 15, 4, 49 left, 15 3 are 45, 43 left, again 15 2 are 30, 13 left, 135, so 15 nines are 135. Now this is what? This is the area of the field. Area of the field means what? Side into side. So your side will be root of 1329 meters. Now how to find the root? Looking at 1329, we have 9 in the units place. But even though it has 9 in the units place, we cannot give any guarantee that it will be a perfect square, because 9 is a perfect square but 19 is not a perfect square. So getting 9 in the units place doesn't guarantee that it is a perfect score. So it would be better to go for division method. So look here, 1329. Let us quickly do the division process to find the square root. So 3 3s are 9. We'll get 4, bring down 29 plus 3, having 6 here. Now look here, 6 7s are, but 7 will be larger because 6 7s are 42, it is coming. So there will be carry also, so it won't suit. It will be 6. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 6 are 36 and 3, 39. So here we are getting 6 plus 6 12, 2, 1, 72, and one place is vacant here. And again 9 minus 6 is 3, and here 12 minus 9 is 3. So since it is not completely divisible, we can have 1 point, and again we'll bring down 2 zeros. Zeros will always come in pairs here. So let us see how much it goes. So here we are having 33, 7 4s are 28. So 4 times, let us go for 4 times. So 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 4 7s are 28. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0. Here 12 minus 8 is 4. So here and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So look here, 4 plus 4 will be 8, 2, 7, and 1 place is vacant here. Again bring down 2 zeros. So we have 4 0 4 0 0. Now see here, 7 5s are 35. So 7 6 will be 42. So we shall go for 5. So put 5 here. So how much is this? 5 5s are 25, 2, 40 into 42, 4, 5 to 10 for 14, 1, 35 and 1, 36. So this is okay. Now we shall get some remainder here. So there is no need to go for further. So we can say that here S will be equal to 36.45 meter. So if you know one side, you can find the perimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter P will be equal to 4 into S. So that will be 4 into 36.45. So we can go for the value of 36.45. How much will we get? 36.45 into 4. 5 4s are 22, 4 is 16 into 18, 1, 24 and 1 25, 2, 4 3s are 12 and 2 14, and after 2 digits. So this will be 145.80. 145.80 meters. So this will be the perimeter. Now what does he say? Find the cost of fencing the lawn at rupees 22 per meter. So how much amount, total amount required for fencing will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 145.80 into 22. So we shall quickly multiply this by 22. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1, 10 and 1 11, 1, 1, 2 4s are 8 and 1 9, and 2 1s are 2. Again 0, 6, 1, 9, 2. So 0, 6, 7, 0, 2 and 3. So we are getting 3. So we shall put here point also. So we are getting 3207.60. This will come in rupees. So our answer, final answer is 3207 rupees 60 paise. So children, I hope you have understood the question. The question was the cost of leveling a square lawn at rupees 15 per square meter is rupees 19,935. Find the cost of fencing the lawn at rupees 22 per meter. First we have calculated the area. The area was 1329 meter square. Then we have calculated the side. Side was equal to 36.45 meters. Then we have calculated the perimeter. Perimeter was equal to 145.80 meter, and after that finally we have calculated the amount required for fencing. That was 145.80 into 22, that will be equal to rupees 3207.60.